everyone, we're going to do double identities for sine and cosine. This is part 2. This one's a little longer than the other ones we've been doing. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on the left side here, and I'm going to write cosine of 2 theta as my identity, cosine squared of theta minus sine squared of theta. And then there's only one for sine, which is 2 sine of theta cosine of theta. Now, once we have that, I'm going to go ahead and factor out this. This is your a squared minus b squared, which equals a minus b, a minus b times a plus b. So I'm just going to write this as cosine of theta minus sine of theta times cosine of theta plus sine of theta. And for the denominator, I'm going to write this as a little trick. I'm going to write this 1 as cosine squared plus sine squared. Because remember, cosine squared plus sine squared equals 1. Then you're going to just attach him here. And what you can do now is rewrite this guy like this. We can write it as cosine squared of theta plus 2 sine theta cosine theta plus sine squared theta. And what happens here, this is your a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So this is going to be cosine of theta plus sine theta twice squared. So we write it down twice. So basically, I'll write it on the next page. But we're going to have, this is our numerator, and this is going to be our denominator. And I'm going to write it again on the next page. So we have cosine theta minus sine of theta times cosine of theta plus cosine of theta, or sine of theta, all over cosine of theta plus sine of theta times cosine of theta plus sine of theta. Now, what you're going to get is what happens is these two cancel, so you're going to get cosine of theta minus sine of theta over cosine of theta plus sine of theta. Now, to force it to look like what we want, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each piece and divide by sine. Because we want this to equal cotan of theta minus 1 over cotan of theta plus 1. So basically, and I'm going to do it real small here, if I divide this by sine and this by sine, I get 1, this here. Also, so if you do it to each piece, sine and sine, we know that cosine over sine is cotan. So we get cotan of theta minus 1 over cotan of theta plus 1. So basically, that's your answer. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.